So majority times I've just seen in our Bollywood movies, and in fact in other movies, Hollywood movies, I've generally there is some quota system for ghosts. There are generally female ghosts. So also, I guess it's just a thought, but also if you remember once when we were doing the trail, the Be Life trail, and that's when you told me about a story of a woman called Kristalina. So the house that we visited was around 200 years old.
In Saligaon.
In
You're talking
Saligaon.
about Saligaon.
Saligaon,
Yeah.
Saligaon.
Yeah, the house has no connection with Kristalina.
Kristalina.
Anyway,
Okay. But that house is around 150 years old.
They say so, but it could be more.
More.
Yeah.
So apparently, so when we went for the trial, it was told to us, like वो guide ने हमको बोला कि that house breathes at night. You can hear the breathing
Some sound.
of the house breathing.
According to the locals.
According to the locals. अभी ये सब personally रुके नहीं हम लोग, लेकिन according to the locals, the house breathes at night. And हाँ, और बहुत 200 साल है, so it has a wide history regarding it, but wanted to know regarding Kristalina.
Okay. A slight correction. The house has nothing to do with Kristalina.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. But the story
Separate. That's a separate thing,
The
okay.
story about Kristalina is completely different. So they say that Kristalina was from Saligaon and she was murdered there.
Oh,
She was murdered on the same day, on her wedding day, the day she got married. Now, who murdered her, we don't know. Nobody knows. Nobody, like I said about Donna Paola, you know, people make up
some
and
stories.
eventually, it could not be even her husband. Because I questioned in my mind, why would her husband murder her, wait to get married, and then murder her? He could have, if he didn't want to marry her, he would have murdered her before the marriage. You know? So, but anyway, only God knows what happened. So they say she was murdered and the body was kept there. And from that day onwards, that place seems to be haunted.
okay.
Now, the one story says that it is actually written, if you go on Google,
Okay.
they say that a priest from that seminary had gone out,
Okay.
and on his way back, he was attacked by the spirit. And they waited for him to return, and since he had not returned, they came looking for him and they found him there
Okay.
with all scratch marks and his face in the mud.
Mud.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when they took him, and he just wouldn't speak, and when he actually started speaking, he spoke in Konkani, which he had never spoken. This language was alien to him.
Alien to him.
Yeah, he spoke in Konkani, and he spoke in the voice of a woman.
Okay. But generally it's said that
That's all what it says about this priest, and they say then probably, I don't know, nothing is being said about his identity, whether he was a Portuguese priest or European priest or whatever. And they say he never.
He was from Kerala or something, that was said.
We don't normally usually know because it's not written there from.
Okay. And also there was this house that you had shown me, which in Saligaon only, same, where they say after the death of the dog, they throw the dog in that.
Okay, that's another
compound.
house. There is one house
Yes.
in Saligaon where the family never lived there. Probably because the person was working abroad.
Abroad. Okay.
And since the property was found
Abandoned.
Any animal that died, especially dogs, they used to be brought and buried inside that compound.
Inside that compound. Okay.
So that's why it's
become
to be known as dog cemetery. Until date, there's nobody staying
in that.
No. Oh. It's just abandoned, and they say if you dig anywhere in that property, you find all skeletons of dogs.
Ghosts. So basically, this is one of my friends had spoken to me regarding this. So I guess his friend or a relative, cousin. So basically, she had gone abroad to do her studies, and I guess it was UK or US. I don't remember, but yeah, she was doing her MBBS, and that's when she had finished her studies and those things were done with her. and she was planning of coming back to India. Her family was in India. So what happened was she finished her studies and she had 1 or 2 months with her. So she said, "Let me party, let me go around, let me have some good time with people and friends and all." So she met this guy, and then they started dating for a couple of months because she knew she was supposed to come back to India. So and that's how, and she would any which ways later on, not necessarily they would be in touch. So she had a good time with him, and then what happened was when she came back to India, she started getting rashes on her body. She started getting boils on her body. So and then she went up for a checkup. कि कुछ हुआ है कि नहीं, and she also had this thing where she started losing her hair. So what she did was she thought of going up for a checkup to a doctor, and that's when she did her test. And the doctor she went to was she knew that doctor, and so she went to the doctor. She did her checkup, and yeah, things were cool. The next day, 1 or 2 days later, she went to take her reports. कि भाई क्या हुआ है कि नहीं सब सही है. So जब when she went to take her reports, the doctor said, while coming, make sure you come with police or with your parents. Now this was shocking. Arey, I wanted to take my reports. Why are you calling police? Why are you calling parents and all? What is so serious that you are calling? So after compelling for so long, because she knew him, he said the virus that is found in your body is generally found in dead people. अब ये तो डर गई, मतलब उसको लगा कि is she dead? तो ये कौन से something different. So that story that I was thinking, oh, मतलब as in she was a dead person.
Living dead.
Living dead. So then the whole thing was, then she recollected. So the person that she was dating or having a good time with, so he used to work in a hospital, and in the hospital he used to work in a morgue. Now morgue is a place where they keep the dead bodies, remove the dead bodies, and that's how. So that's when the doctor told him there would be two things: either the person that you were having relationship was dead,
Ah.
or the person that you were having relationship with was having relationship with dead people. The relationship तो वैसा नहीं, प्यार वाला नहीं,
Evil.
but physical. हाँ, like physically after death उसका scene चालू था.
That's what's evil.
Yeah, that's something.
This is speaking
but
of-
this was not actually a horror regarding, but it is so creepy. It is so creepy.
Whatever, if it actually happened, then that means
Yeah.
this is defining evil.
Evil. No, there's so many stories of people actually
In your own story, you have found the definition of evil.
evil. Like there's so many stories where people, I don't know, it's I'm not any religion and all, terming into any religion, but a lot of people who take it as dead people and they use it for their physical,
Whatever.
and they take
Not
it
to
as
go in
God.
details, yeah.
Yeah, but that is a really, मतलब हम लोग used to नहीं है, हम लोग ये generally ऐसा करने को मेरी तो फट जाएगा, मैं वो करने के मैं भाग जाऊँगा. So that's how. That's one of those stories that I remember. But I have one more story, but I'll say it after you, so that you get a break. So you have any more stories? I remember that one story you had said regarding your husband at night. There was someone calling you, and there were dogs barking.
This was when, again, like I told you about Aguada, we do a lot of fishing. And since my husband is a good angler,
Okay.
a hobby, as usual, the only time we could go that day was in the night because of the tide. We need a certain kind of tide to.
Tide to fish.
Yeah, preferably when the tide is just going down, then it's going into low tide.
Low tide.
So this was somewhere at night at around. We left home at 7:30 like that, and by the time we reached, and me usually I always take something like a mat to lie down, and while my husband fishes, I say my rosary, my prayers, and then what can I do? Looking up at the sky.
Because you also had that last time when you were small. You said you had that someone calling your name.
Yeah, that
Might be
is
someone
that
else.
always happens
Happen.
there. You
Oh, okay.
you always tend to hear sounds
calling
and
your name.
someone screaming, but it actually happens. You can go and experience for yourself. Yeah, so I had just finished my rosary, my prayers, and I said I'll lie down,
Okay.
and the time must have been around 12:15, 12:30 like that.
Okay.
And my husband was still fishing, and he was at a distance of around say 5-6 meters away from me, and we had 3-4 dogs, and they're very alert dogs. Even if there's a twig that breaks, you know, they are so alert and sharp that they start barking. ती आंगार येता सारखी बघून. So yeah, I was about to get sleep, and I heard somebody sneezing.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and the dogs are right next to me. It was none of my dogs because the dogs are there next to me, and even if they had to sneeze, I would see one of the dogs lifting their heads or whatever. So I looked around, probably thought my husband had sneezed.
Sneeze.
So I said, I sat down, and after a while, again,
Its name Sneeze.
yeah, and the dogs are with me, and this time I'm actually looking at my husband fishing, like I can see his outline. There was slight moonlight as well. And this is the time when my husband also looked at the back
Okay.
towards my direction. And instantly I knew something was either fishy, funny over there, or something was beginning. So anyway, I slowly walked down to where my husband was fishing, and I said, I think it's time to go home, because we came to the rocks at 7:30, like 8 o'clock, and there was no bite, so it's useless spending more time.
And when you said that this was 8 o'clock or late night?
No, we arrived at the rocks at around 7:38, and this happened at around 12:15, 12:30
Okay.
in the night. Yeah, it was way past midnight.
Midnight.
Yeah, so that's when my husband also realized it's better to
leave.
wrap the line, and yeah, he wrapped the line, and now we dare not ask each other because I
Because of
know,
course
and he also found some this. So anyway, I asked him, I said, did you sneeze by any chance? And he said, no, I thought you had sneezed. So we just ended that topic there, because we were already warned by my grandparents, my mother, and also my uncle, that when such things happen, it's best not to discuss. Say a prayer and start walking home, because people have experienced very strange things. And we said a prayer, and I always have my scapular and my rosary, so these are sacramentals for us to help us overcome all this evil, whatever. And yeah, we started climbing the hill. As we were climbing the hill, I think the thing continued. There was something, you know, trying to spook us out, but since we are strong with the Lord, and there was suddenly a bull walking in front of us. I mean, in the dead of night, from where could the bull? Okay, yeah, anyway, sometimes it happens, and hardly few minutes later, the bull just disappeared out of sight. Like it was a distance of around 10 meters. So that was it. Yeah, we came home, we didn't, because spiritually you have to be strong when such thing happens. And we came home, I called out to my mother. She opened the door, and the first thing I told my mother, she asked, Baba, kai dorung na? You didn't catch anything.
Any fishes,
I said, my mashe bitorasani alme tad holy water. Go inside and bring the holy water. So she knew immediately, because she's also used. She, as a child also, she accompanied her father fishing, and she knew this paranormal things happen. So she went inside. She brought the holy water and Ramachi Chutti palm
tree.
Yeah, so she made the sign of the cross. She threw holy water on us, said Saint Michael's prayer, I believe, Our Father, 3 Hail Marys, and yeah, we had our bath, we had our food, and we went to sleep.
I recollect one story. So this, I'm gonna say it in Hindi, because I feel I connect to it when I say more in Hindi, this one. So basically मेरा uncle, he likes to travel. थोड़ा English निकलेगा, लेकिन my uncle, he likes to travel. तो वो, he is basically into this, what you say, recruitment of people. So he has to travel to various places to recruit people. So ऐसा है. So he went to, I guess, Himachal or शिमला, दैट एरिया, ठीक है. तो वो बिल्डिंग में जाता है, एंड ही इज जनरली एज अ पर्सन, अरे क्या देखेंगे हम लोग, क्या कोई भूत है, मैं भूत हूँ, भूत को मारूंगा. सो ये वो बंदा ही ऐसा है, ठीक है. सो वो गया
होटल में, तो होटल में गया, उस होटल में रुका, तो वो होटल उस टाइम में पूरा ही खाली था, देयर इज नथिंग इन दैट होटल, ओके. सो ही वेंट टू दैट होटल, he stayed there. So basically he had a driver. So the driver said I'll sleep down because they have a room for drivers and that's all. तो वो उधर रुक गया, तो ठीक है, अंकल पहला दिन हो गया. सो पहला दिन क्या होता है कि अंकल नाउ ही इज डेड टायर्ड विद हिज वर्क एंड ऑल, सो ही गो टेक्स बाथ एंड गोस टू स्लीप. He quickly starts hearing outside his door there's someone running here and there always, and that is also late night, like around 2 o'clock. Like some kid would be running here. He didn't knew वो होटल में कोई नहीं है. उसको लगा कि होटल नॉर्मली चल रहा है, तो बच्चा भाग रहा है, ही couldn't get sleep. So this happened for 1 or 2 days, and third day he was irritated because he wanted to say, "Arey, tell the other room guys because at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, what they are making the kids run. I am not getting sleep." बोला ठीक है. So the receptionist tell him that, "Arey, there's no one staying in that floor. Whole floor is empty. How can someone run?" So अभी इसका ये पहला स्पूक डर गया वो. ओके, डर गया, तो मैं बोला ठीक है. सो नाउ द ओनर ऑफ द होटल knew him. So he went, he spoke. So he said, "Arey, your daughter is not there." So basically he said, "My daughter committed suicide. So my daughter committed suicide, and because her husband cheated her, I guess she gave something to the kid, and she tied up to her. So yeah, it's been around 3 to 4 years, because he had met him long time, I guess 8-9 years पहले मिला था, उसके अंदर कोई कनेक्शन रहता नहीं है, तो फिर वो आया. अब वो हो गया. एक तो पहले वो there's no one in that whole corridor. Second thing, same floor, sister committed suicide. So Abhi now he calls his driver, "You come and sleep with me." And his driver is full Mangalorean, like big guy, you know. So he comes, अरे क्या होएगा, देखेंगे हम लोग भूत को, क्या मैं भूत गाँव में बहुत देखा है, ये तो क्या मैं ऐसा भगा देगा ये वो. Okay, ठीक है. So now they go to sleep. Same at 2 o'clock. They hear this same noise. So now they are under the blanket, they are talking to each other. तू सुन रहा है, तू सुन रहा है, सुन रहा है, हाँ मैं सुन रहा हूँ. और जो ड्राइवर था उसका जो वो तो फटके 4 उसका तो हो गया. सो दे आर टॉकिंग नाउ कि अरे ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. सो दे आर जस्ट यू आर हियरिंग दिस नॉइज आउटसाइड द कॉरिडोर एंड इट कम्स टू देयर डोर एंड इट स्टॉप्स. सो दे आर टॉकिंग, ओके हो गया. नेक्स्ट मोमेंट दे हियर द सेम नॉइज इन द रूम. ओह फ्लिप. तो ये हो गया रूम में. नाउ this is happening, and uncle stops hearing this noise after like 20 minutes or not. And as soon as he sees his driver, he's sleeping. So he's like, okay, chal subah उठ गया, we'll talk about it and we'll leave directly. So the next morning he is getting up, the driver is not getting up, so he gets irritated. अरे तू क्या उठ, गाड़ी खड़ा है. So he wakes him up. So when he wakes him up, he is unconscious. The driver is unconscious. जब वो उठाता है, blood is flowing from his ears. He gets freaked out. ये क्या हो गया? What happened to him? He just went. So he takes it to a doctor. The doctor tells him 2 things might have happened. Now you are telling me that he was sleeping and this started off happening. But generally this happened, his ear bursted off. So this happens only when either someone has slapped you really hard, or there is a big bomb, there's a blast that you've heard of. उसको कुछ याद नहीं है. The driver doesn't remember anything. He said, "I don't know. When I went to sleep." So since then, my uncle
Believes.
सस्ता वस्ता कुछ नहीं. On the highway, he will never take this hotel. Since then, he will go to a place where there are people around. There's people staying in the hotel, and this common. I've heard things about Himachal, Shimla, and those areas very commonly, but I think we also have a lot of ghost
No,
stories.
there are everywhere. Every place has
Place
this.
I have. Yeah. So I remember one more story I have. You have anything else?
Oh, carry on.
I remember now. It's just coming up. So I remember one more story. Basically, this is, I guess, this story that we friends were talking about. So this was in Kalangut or something, some hotel. So basically, there was one room that was always empty. Okay, the hotel always kept that room empty, and no one spoke about it. No one spoke about that hotel. Okay, as in that room, why is it empty? So there is this young guy with like, अरे मैं देख लेगा क्या है कि भूत सब देख लूँगा मैं इधर से हूँ, नेपाल से हूँ, नेपाल में बहुत दम लूँगा. Like okay, so every day he goes and sees the room. Now there is this place where you put the keys. So he sees the room. There's nothing. He can only see the red light. There's nothing inside. So that happens for a week. जाता है, ये होते रहता है. अभी ये story सच है कि नहीं है मेरे को मालूम नहीं, लेकिन मैं I'm just saying because this is very common. This was one of those freaked out story that I came across. So जा रहा है, रोज देख रहा है, there is red light. 1 week he sees that. Seeing red light. अरे red light कहाँ से? जब रात को whole room should be dark, but the house is red light. So he sees that. After the 7th day, he starts seeing that red light starts fading off, as in it becomes little red, less red. That's more or less. By 2nd or 3rd day, what he sees was he just keeps seeing. So that red light, red color, what happens is on the other side of the door, there's someone seeing him also, and that red eye goes back, looks at him, turns, walks behind, and disappears. Then he was said that he had heavy fever, and then that guy just went flip. Imagine तो ऐसा डोर पे देख रहा रोज रेड और ऐसा निकला. Someone looks at you and walks.
He
and
challenged
Shit.
somebody.
That was very horrific. So thank you guys so much. Please make sure you do like, share, and subscribe channel. And thank you Adolfina for giving us your precious time.
Thank you,
And I
Atul.
hope we can have her more.
If I'm free, yeah.
Yeah, we can have more of this conversation. We can add some of more people who I knew and to this conversation. Yes, so make sure do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also, in case if you have any topics that you want us to cover it up and have a conversation on it, do let us know. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.